O-161789 Philippine Air Force Reserve.
To be assisted by her mother, Susana Santos.
Mga kagala, papunta kami ngayon sa Villamor Air Base to attend donning and pinning of commissioned officer and reserve officer. Samahan nyo kami, let's go!
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Speaker, our boss of the Air Force Reserve Command, our honorary and guest of honor.
14 May 2024 and 29 July 2024. Pursuant to Section 39 of the National Defense Act, as amended, and 6 others are commissioned in the Reserve Force, Armed Forces of the Philippines, with their respective ranks in the Philippine Air Force Reserve, and assigned Armed Forces of the Philippines serial numbers as indicated. By order of the Secretary of National Defense,
Officer First Reserve Center to don the ranks of the newly commissioned reservist officers. O-161463 Alpha Philippine Air Force Reserve.
To be assisted by his wife, Mrs. Caroline Flores.
Lourdes Corazon L. Santos.
Lourdes Corazon L. Santos, O-161789 Philippine Air Force Reserve.
To be assisted by her mother, Susana Santos.
Yung kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Ako si ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Na itataguyod, na hinirang at itinalaga sa katutunan bilang miyembro ng Laang Kawal ng Pilipinas. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa at ng iba pang pagkaraan nito.
For the Philippines, very proud. The Deputy Commander of 11th Air Force Group Serve, Lieutenant Colonel Rudy Vargas, Philippine Force Sector.
Salamat ang mabuhay tayo lahat.
Everybody can now take your seats.
nag-outfit lang kami para maging komportable. Kain-kain. Wow, ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Ubus na lahat ng pagkain namin. Gutom na gutom kami. Favorite talaga namin restaurant to. Treat ni Cory luto ko. Kaya masarap. Libre kasi. Hey! Busog na kami. Malis na si Norbin. Pero stay pa rin kami dito kasi nag-iinom-inom pa sila. Kami lang ang tao dito sa area na to. Kaya may privacy.